scale of bad lighting is big, but I would say there's a lot of things that roll up under that umbrella, but certainly the coloring of the light is really important. What we see, the shadows, and so with fluorescents and metal halides, with no optics to really control light to get an even distribution, you see a lot of hot spots. And so right under a fixture, it'll be bright, but you move over 5-10 feet and it's dark. And so the human eye, how it picks up those shadows is, the contrast isn't good, and it provides really unsafe environments. And so a consistent light level throughout the facility is what we're striving to do. And with the right LED fixtures, right optics, the right distribution, we're able to give a nice consistent light level throughout. So that's one of the big ones, is just light consistency, really hot spotty in these environments. And then certainly, yeah, the light coloring, from also adds into the shadowing as well. And then maintenance. So long-lasting LEDs, don't need to be maintained. And so a lot of times you go in these facilities, they've got 4-lamp or 6-lamp fixtures or metal halide bulbs that just don't last very long. And so again, that just adds to poor lighting. 2 of the bulbs are burnt out. It's shadows, it's dark over here, a ballast out over here. And so it's just a full-time job for a maintenance team to try and get to those. And then if you're talking a manufacturing facility where it's 24/7, and there's just no time to get over the top of that machinery to replace that fixture. It's just in time, right? It's just going to be dark, dingy, hot spotty, light levels suppressed. So there's a lot of things that roll up into that, for sure.